now what I'm going to do is place in these metallic cannulas. These are called as ports, and these ports are now going to be placed here. And once I place it here, this long thing that you see is what is called as the telescope. This houses the camera, and this is what is going to help us see.
Point the scope at the target anatomy, then press and hold the targeting button.
So this is the camera, and this is how we move the robotic arms. So now you have seen how the robo has docked. So now I will take you to the last part of the robo, that is the surgeon's console. Now this is where the surgeon sits and operates. This is where the action is. This is the part from where the surgeon is going to control the robo.